What if I told you that you could retire early, not with millions, but by investing just $500 a month? Sounds impossible? It's not. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how you can retire decades early by investing just $500 a month, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know where to invest, how compound interest works, and how to maximize your savings to hit financial freedom faster than 95% of people. If you're ready to take control of your future, let's get started. Why $500 a month is enough to retire early. Most people think you need millions of dollars to retire early, but the truth is, you just need a plan. Here's why $500 a month can completely change your future. Compound interest is your best friend. The money you invest today grows exponentially over time. The earlier you start, the less you need. If you start in your 20s or 30s, you can retire way before 65. The right investments make all the difference. Smart investing beats saving every time. Let's break this down with real numbers so you see exactly how it works. The math behind early retirement, how much you'll need. To retire early, you need to figure out your FIRE, Financial Independence Retire Early number. Step 1. Find your FIRE number. The rule of thumb, you need 25x your yearly expenses to retire. Example, if you need $40,000 per year to live comfortably, 40,000 down to 25 equals a $1,000 needed to retire. Now, let's see how fast you can reach that goal with just $500 a month. Step 2. Invest $500 a month and let compound interest work. Here's how much you'd have if you invest $500 per month at an 8% annual return. 10 years, $91,000, 20 years, $275,000, 30 years, 735 years, $1,000. You're retired. Conclusion. Even if you start in your 30s, you could retire in your 50s, way ahead of schedule. But what if you want to retire even sooner? Let's talk about where to invest your money. The best investments to retire early. Not all investments are created equal. To retire early, you need high-growth, low-fee investments. Here are the best options. Index funds and ETFs. Set it and forget it. Investing. Best for passive investors who want long-term growth. Why? Historically, they make 8 to 10% average annual returns. Top picks. VOO, S&P 500 ETF, VTI, Total Stock Market ETF, or FXAX. Example, if you invest $500 a month in VOO, you could retire in 30 years with over $1 million. 2 dividend stocks, passive income for life. Best for investors who want steady cash flow in retirement. Why? You get paid every quarter without selling your stocks. Top picks. Dividend aristocrats like Coca-Cola, KO, Johnson & Johnson, J&J, and Realty Income O. Pro tip. Reinvest your dividends until retirement, then use them as passive income. 3 real estate, cash flow plus appreciation. Best for those who want passive rental income. Why? Rent payments provide consistent cash flow while your property grows in value. How? Buy a rental property and use rental income to reinvest. Use REITs, real estate investment trusts, to invest in real estate without buying property. Example, if you own 3 rental properties bringing in $1,500 a month each, you could retire early just from rent. 4. Crypto and alternative investments, high risk, high reward. Best for those willing to take on some risk for higher returns. Why? Crypto has created millionaires overnight, but it's volatile. Top picks, Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and staking stablecoins for passive income. Pro tip, never put more than 5 to 10% of your portfolio into high-risk assets. How to supercharge your early retirement plan. Want to retire even faster? Here's how. 1. Increase your income and invest more. Start a side hustle and invest all profits. Ask for a raise and put the extra income straight into investments. Use freelancing, online businesses, or consulting to boost earnings. 2. Cut expenses and live below your means. Reduce unnecessary spending and invest the difference. Consider geo-arbitrage, living in a lower-cost city or country. Avoid lifestyle inflation. More income shouldn't mean more expenses. 3. Max out retirement accounts for free money. Use 401k matching to get free money from your employer. Max out a Roth IRA for tax-free growth on your investments. Take advantage of HSA's health savings accounts, another tax-free investing tool. Final thoughts. Your path to early retirement starts today. Now you know exactly how to retire early with just $500 a month. Here's your step-by-step action plan. Step 1. Invest in index funds, real estate, or dividend stocks. Step 2. Stay consistent. Let compound interest do the work. Step 3. Supercharge your plan by increasing income and cutting expenses. Step 4. Stay patient. Wealth takes time, but early retirement is worth it. So question time. What's your retirement number? Drop a comment below. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more money-making strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.